We'll guide you through how to get and add the Google search bar onto the home screen. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really great to go and do because you can then simply go and tap on it and you can go and search for something. Perhaps you've got a question or you want to go and find something out. So we're going to guide you through how it's done as you can then quickly access Google. To get started, come onto your home screen and tap and hold your finger in some blank space. Then you can go to the bottom and find the option for widgets. This will open up. Now you need to go and start scrolling down. You need to go and find the option for Google. As you can see, there it is. If you can't see it here, make sure go and click on it to expand it. And then you can scroll down in here and you can go find the search. Tap on it and then tap add. It's going to place it. Tap in some blank space and then tap and hold it again. And you can drag it to where you want it to go and be. I want it to be here, let's say. And you can go and adjust the length of it as well. Then what you can do is you can go and tap on it and you can go and make your search.